Stand up, pay attention to the meme frog. It is making people millionaires. We've got a huge move incoming. It's coiling up on the charts for Pepe. I've got my protection zones to the downside and my targets to the upside. Let's dive right in. And this is the Pepe chart, and our pattern is still in play. We're still creating that right shoulder. The inverse head and shoulders pattern can still break out. And if it does break out to the upside, we've got our levels built in. So what I want to do in this video is have a look at sentiment in other markets. And what we can do is we can look at the dollar or the DXY. How strong is the dollar against a bag of worldwide currencies? Because people flood into the dollar in times of fear. And when people flood into the dollar, the crypto market starts to dump. So if we see a weak dollar, you'd expect to see a reversal within the crypto market. And we're at a key level here on the DXY. This support band here. This is a key level. If we break down from here and reject that as resistance, which was previous support, that surge to the downside will be a surge within the crypto space. So that's a check for the DXY. If we lose this support level, that's showing sentiment within the crypto market. We can do the same with the total 3, and you can see the total 3 is interesting. This is the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. So the rest of the altcoins, and we can see here that that's had a bullish surge. If we just stick a fib tool on there, in a strong trend, we expect a kiss of the 382 retracement. And you can see that's exactly what we've got here. The kiss of the 382 retracement, followed by a big bullish buy-up candle. That's showing sentiment in the crypto space. That's showing strength within the whole of the crypto market, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. The other thing that you can see here is as we've been tracking this down, you can see the RSI has been tracking down and tracking down. The RSI at the previous low here was here. It's come back down all the way to oversold again. But look at these levels. Here, that was oversold, and here, that was oversold. So we've had a surge to the upside on the total. We've had a pullback, a sharp pullback to the 38.2. So we've only retraced 38.2% of this move, and the stochastics come all the way back down, reset, ready for another move to the upside. So that's showing strength too. Let's have a look at the Pepe chart. And we can finally look at the Pepe chart now. I just want to show you guys, by looking at other markets, it can give you a little bit more of an edge. Remember, a weak dollar is a strong crypto. A strong dollar is a weak crypto. So if that DXY starts going down, then the total 3 crypto market cap will start going up. So that's what you can do, and that's how you can take advantage of other markets. That 382 retracement on the total 3 looks absolutely beautiful. So if we get a surge into next week and the week after in the crypto market, and we've got our key level up here, if we break the head and shoulders, the next thing that I want to show you is this Lux Algo gap. This here. This is going to act as strong resistance. And if we break this shoulder, this is where you can expect to take profits on here. Now, how do you get into this? How do you get into it? We go down into the 4 hour. And what we can do is we can just track this trend. And what tracking the trend allows us to do, just get that back off. What tracking the trend allows us to do is to know where momentum lies, whether momentum lies with the bulls or the bears. So we've moved to the upside here, bullish. And then we've got this retracement here, which is bearish. Now, for us to know when the bulls are gaining momentum, we need this break and we need a retest. And what this allows us to do, this break and retest, it allows us to know that this is a low, because you can continue to the downside like this. This trend line can continue there. You can continue to the downside, but until you get that break, boom, until you get that break, you don't know that the bulls have regained any kind of momentum. So this can keep going down and keep going down. This tells you that there's a change in sentiment. This tells you that there's a change in momentum. So once you get that break, it allows you to put your stops underneath the previous low. When you've got your stops under your previous low, you've either locked in profits or you've protected yourself, which is the key, guys. And I'll keep drilling and drilling and drilling that home to you. Protection is the key. If you need to accumulate wealth and keep your wealth, then you need to protect yourself. So if you did find it useful, guys, check out the rest of the Pepe playlist that you all requested.